8, 28, 24, 2014 QX60 PCV valve. That's the old PCV valve, and this is the new PCV valve that's in a box. But the new one's sitting right here. Looks like that. Green and plastic. It has this valve that you can kind of shake, but it's not like made of metal like the old school stuff. But if you shake it and put it close to your ear, you can hear it going up and down. Now, to get this out, it feels like it's a 13 millimeter because I put a 22 in there and it's slightly too small. So I've had a 24, and the 24 is too much slack. So the one that's equivalent to the 23 millimeter is 15/16. And you put a 15/16 in there and it feels great. Well, not that great, but there's some slack. But this is plastic, so it's not doing very important stuff. So I just put this on there. I just took my hands and it came out. Again, you can just put an adjustable wrench and get it out because it's like that. So you don't really need to go find a 15/16 socket. Just put your adjustable wrench in there. And I don't know if you can hear it, but you can shake it. And the PCV system is the PCV stands for positive case ventilation, meaning that all the blow-bys has a positive amount, creates a positive environment, and this lets all that positive environment go out this valve and then gets burned in the intake again. That's another video just to learn about the PCV valve system. But ultimately, if that goes bad, all this positive pressure cannot escape, so it starts escaping out of the everywhere it can. So you can have a lot of gasket and premature failure and oil leaks to happen. So this thing has about 150K. I don't know how much this costs, $20, $30, I forgot. But it seems like I may only have one of them. I don't see one out here. So it's like deep in there. So luckily I got it. I don't know why they put it all the way there and not out here. Oh, this thing was for the PCV valve. So maybe I could have changed it, but it's very difficult to get that with this intake in here. So let's get this baby out. $150K later, the PCV valve sees some light. I'm trying to see if I can shake it. Kind of shakes. Maybe it's not that bad. And it has some numbers on there. It has 45B on there. And that's all it says, 45B. And this part number is made by Serve Tech Engine Management. At the top, it says 1901507698 2 PCV 0101 PCV valve, and a whole bunch of barcode information. And this is what I'm putting it. I don't really know the cost to it, so sorry, couldn't comment on that. But it should be very immaterial compared to all this work getting in here. So if you're here and you put this much effort in it, change the PCV valve.